Best hybrid vehicles of 2022. With more and more mainstream models offering hybrid powertrains, consumers have a lot of options to choose from. The best hybrids and plug-in hybrids don't just provide better fuel economy than gas-only models, some even have significant performance benefits. Audi A755 TFSIe plug-in hybrid. What we think: efficiency and style. The Audi A755 TFSIe plug-in hybrid has both. This slick fastback combines the comfort and convenience features expected of a midsize luxury vehicle with the versatility of a hatchback body style and up to 26 miles of EPA-rated electric driving range. Sure, we prefer the performance of the more powerful gas-drinking S7 and RS7 models, but the A755 TFSIe plug-in hybrid is a solid choice if you're determined to get a hybrid of some sort. BMW 330e. What we think: the BMW 3 Series is no longer the driving enthusiast's machine it once was. Still, BMW's sports sedan is a nice all-arounder that brings a reasonably roomy interior and better than average driving dynamics to the fold. It's also offered with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Dubbed the 330e, the 288 horsepower Beamer offers 23 miles of EPA-rated electric driving range in its default rear drive form. BMW X5 xDrive 45e. What we think: with 31 miles of EPA-rated electric driving range, the 2022 BMW X5 xDrive 45e brings an electric twist to the German automaker's midsize SUV. The 389 horsepower plug-in hybrid powertrain is a smooth operator and helps the gasoline-electric X5 hit 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. What we think: practical, comfortable, graceful, and undeniably handsome, the plug-in 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid has family transportation down pat and is one of the best hybrid minivans sold today. Its refined road manners make the Pacifica Hybrid a pleasure to drive, whether you're logging interstate road trip miles or simply shuttling kids to the high school football game. Ford F-150 Power Boost. What we think: Ford's F-150 is fully embracing the electrified future. While the all-electric Lightning caters to those looking to wean themselves from gasoline entirely, the pickup's available gasoline-electric hybrid powertrain, dubbed Power Boost, brings a 400 horsepower punch to the table. It also includes a 7.2 kilowatt onboard generator that's good for powering the likes of small appliances. Ford Maverick. What we think: Ford re-enters the compact pickup space with the 2022 Maverick. Though a strictly gas-powered 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is optionally available, a 191 horsepower gasoline-electric hybrid comes standard. Offered exclusively with front-wheel drive, the Maverick's hybrid powertrain affords this versatile pickup compact car-like fuel economy, all at a base price of $21,490. Honda Accord Hybrid. What we think: although SUVs and crossovers are the people haulers these days, we think those folks are missing out by not considering the superb 2022 Honda Accord sedan. The Accord can do most things your average compact crossover can do, and its spry handling will give its driver more of a thrill should they encounter a twisty road. Honda CR-V Hybrid. What we think: the 2022 Honda CR-V Hybrid won't get anyone's blood pumping, but its capacious interior and fuel-efficient gasoline-electric hybrid powertrain make it a compelling compact SUV. In fact, it's one of our favorites, earning a spot on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. The Honda isn't necessarily fun to drive, but it steers and stops without any fuss. Its ride is also relaxing on long hauls. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid and Plug-in Hybrid. What we think: although it's getting on in the years, the 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe remains a compelling midsize SUV option. Credit a number of redeeming qualities, including the ability to option the model with either a gasoline-electric hybrid or a plug-in hybrid powertrain, the latter of which offers up to 32 miles of EPA-rated electric driving range. Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. What we think: the 2022 Hyundai Sonata is a family sedan that's both visually interesting and a really good value. Hyundai's midsizer comes in 3 trims: Blue, Cell, and Limited. All are motivated by a 192 horsepower gasoline-electric hybrid powertrain. The Sonata Hybrid impresses with an array of standard comfort and convenience features, as well as an upscale interior that's full of popular tech items.